This project contains themes such as eating disorders, depression, suicidal thoughts, loneliness. These scripts are written by real people going through these things, so it is very difficult content. If you are upset or triggered by this content, then please check out the charities we've left at the end for you.
Today is Alfie's Day, titled Free. I wish to be free. More than anything, I yearn for freedom. Free from the chains of others placed around me all my life. Free from the past I desperately try to escape from.
You are free. Your past does not define you.
All they do when they look at me is see a monster full of hatred, one who is never given the chance to show them I'm different, that I'm not what they perceive me to be.
You aren't a monster. You have been forgiven for the mistakes you made. Your friends don't think of you as a monster.
I'm not free. I am burdened by those around me who refuse to let me escape my past or escape the lies they have made around me.
You must not let lies control your life. You have fought endlessly to prove them wrong. Please don't give up now.
My only freedom now is an internal rest. Only then I can be truly free. Only in darkness can everything be forgiven and forgotten.
No one wants that to happen. You are a fighter. You have fought for everything you wanted and succeeded.
All I want is to be free and live my life free. I deserve the freedom that everyone else in the world has, and I won't stop until I achieve it. My only way to achieve it is in rest.
Keep fighting. You will have the freedom you want without needing to rest eternally. Tomorrow is another day, and as long as you're here in the light, you are free, and you can continue fighting for the life you deserve.
Tomorrow is another day. Another day I yearn to be free. Hopefully tomorrow is the day I achieve my goal.
This project contains themes such as eating disorders, depression, suicidal thoughts, loneliness. These scripts are written by real people going through these things, so it is very difficult content. If you are upset or triggered by this content, then please check out the charities we've left at the end for you. Narrate My Day brings to you Evening Repeat by Step Out, Headphones On. Wake up, get up, work, home, bed. Evening breaks the circle. Anxiety, fear, dread. Piano keys, distraction. Deadlines running late. Time's going quickly. No dinner. How's it already 8:30? Another night. Another day. Months going by. Telling myself that I'm okay. What another lie. Friends moving away. Feeling alone. Leaving where I live. A little red notebook. Telling myself to forgive. Reaching further. Hurting. Looking for myself. Another wasting away. Dusty book on the shelf. Doing something creative. Doing something creative. Trying to see. Playing my piano. Ripping up my music sheet. Over and over again, I just want to press delete. This is every day. This is my life now. I'll update you someday. Maybe then you'll say, wow.